Exercise 5.1, question number 1. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? First one, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So here we are going to see A equal to 15 rupees. And after that, for each kilometer we are going to see rupees 8. That means D equal to 8 here. So we know the arithmetic progression which should have a common difference. The common difference here is D here. So we can say that the next number which will be, first will be A, the next will be A plus A1 plus D here, next A2 plus D here. So here we are going to see a arithmetic progression here. We have a common difference rupees 8 here. So we can say that this is an arithmetic progression. So the answer will be S here. S, it is an arithmetic progression. Second one, the amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So here we are going to see that suppose the cylinder is having air of 100%, suppose 1 here, and if you are going to remove 1/4, if you are going to remove 1/4, we are going to see 1 minus 1/4 here. So that will be here 3/4. So first when you are going to remove 1/4, then we are going to get 3/4 here. Again from this, again 1/4 amount when you are going to remove, we are going to say 3/4 minus 1/4. So that will be 2/4, which is equal to 1/2. Now again from this, if you are going to remove 1/2, that means 1/2 minus 1/4. So we are going to see here 4, here 2 minus 1. So that will be 1/4 here. So here when you are going to see the first time, we are going to see 3/4 is the amount. After that we are going to see 1/2 is the amount. Again when you are going to see here, the amount is 1/4. So here 3/4, 1/2, 1/4, which is having different differences. That means the common difference D is not equal here. It is not equal. So when you are going to see there is no common difference, then we can say that it is not an arithmetic progression. So the answer will be no, and it is not an arithmetic progression here. Next, third one, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and raises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meters. That means the first time we are going to see the cost will is rupees 150 here, 150 here, and after that for each meter we are going to say rupees 50. That means D will be rupees 50 here, 50. So here when you are going to see an arithmetic progression, A, which is 150 here, first term 150 here, again for the second term when you are going to say, it will be 150 plus 50, which will be 200, and again when third when you are going to say, it will be 200 plus 50, which will be 250 here. That means the common difference is 50 here. So we can say that it is an arithmetic progression. So the answer will be S here, and it is an arithmetic progression here. Fourth one, the amount of money in a account every year when 10,000 rupees is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So here we are going to say the amount which is A, which is 10,000 here, 10,000 here. Now we are going to see D here. So D here they have given 8% here, 8% per annum, 8% per annum. So here they have mentioned the compound interest here, the compound interest. The meaning of compound interest means per every year the interest is 8% only, but the amount will vary here. Suppose we are going to take 100 rupees, 100 rupees we are taking. The simple interest concept is different and compound interest concept is different. So here in the question they have asked compound interest. Suppose 100 rupees is there, we are going to keep 10% interest, 10% interest. Suppose if you want to calculate simple interest, then 100 plus 10 which will be 110 here. Again we are going to see 110 in the second year, the interest will be again 10%. That means here 110 plus 10% only. That means the amount will be 120 here. When you are going to see compound interest, here 100 and 10% means 10 here. The total will be 110 for the first year. But in the second year, the amount is 110 and 10% means 10% of this will be 11 and the amount will be 121%. So here the interest is 10% only, but every year the amount will vary here. Here in the simple interest, the interest is 10% only, but every year the amount will be same here. So here in the question they asked the compound interest of 8%. That means every year the interest is 8%, but the amount will vary here. That means 10,000, if you are going to keep 10,000 into 108 by 100, when you are going to do, we are going to get 10,800 here. So in the second year when you are going to see 10,800 into 108 by 100, so which you are going to see 11664 here. And in the third year when you are going to see 10,000 means here we are going to see 11664 into 108 by 100, then we are going to see 12597 here. So here when you are going to see the difference between 10,800, 11,664 and 12,597, the difference is not same here. So here 11,664, 10800, when you are going to say year 4, year 6, year 8. So again 12,597, 11664 when you are going to see year 3, year 3, year 9 we are going to see. So the common difference is different. It is not same. The difference is not same. So the answer will be here no, it is not an arithmetic progression here. Question number 2. Write first 4 terms of the arithmetic progression when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. First one, A is 10, D is 10. So here when A is 10, D is 10, the first term is A1 which is 10 here. A is 10 here. So A1 when you are going to see, that will be A plus D here. A plus D here. That means here A plus D, that equal to 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20 here. Next A2 when you are going to see, which is A1 plus D here. So that will be 20 plus 10, that equal to 30 here. Now A3 when you are going to see, A2 plus D, that equal to 30 plus 10, which is equal to 40 here. So the first four terms when you are going to see, one is 10, the other is 20, the other is 30, and other is 40 here. Next, second one, A is minus 2, D is 0 here. A equal to minus 2 here. And A1, that will be A plus D, that equal to minus 2 plus 0, that equal to minus 2 here. And A2 when you are going to see, A1 plus D, that equal to minus 2 plus 0, that equal to minus 2. A3 when you are going to see, A1 plus D, that equal to minus 2 plus 0, that equal to minus 2. So the four numbers are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 here. Third one, A is 4, D is minus 3. A is 4, D is minus 3. So A equal to 4 here, D equal to here, D is minus 3. So A1 equal to A plus D. So that will be 4 plus minus 3. So that will be 4 minus 3, which will be 1 here. Next, A2 equal to A1 plus D. So that will be A1 is 1 here, plus D is minus 3. So that will be 1 minus 3, that will be minus 2 here. Next, A3. A3 is equal to A2 plus D. So that will be minus 2 plus minus 3 here. So that will be minus 2 minus 3, that will be minus 5 here. So the first four numbers are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5 here. Fourth one, A equal to minus 1, D equal to 1 by 2 here. So A equal to minus 1 here. Then A1 equal to A plus D. So that equal to minus 1 plus D is 1 by 2. So that equal to minus 1 by 2 here. Then A2 equal to A1 plus D, that equal to A1 is minus 1 by 2 plus D. A2 equal to A1 plus D, that equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So that equal to 0 here. Now A3 equal to A2 plus D. A2 plus D means A2 is 0, then plus difference is 1 by 2, that equal to 1 by 2 here. So the first four numbers are minus 1, second number is minus 1 by 2, third number is 0, fourth is 1 by 2 here. Fifth one, A equal to minus 1.25, D equal to minus 0.25. So here A equal to minus 1.25. Then A1 equal to A plus D, that equal to minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25 here. So that equal to minus minus here minus we get 1.50 here. Next A2 equal to A1 plus D, that equal to A1 is minus 1.50 plus D is minus 0.25 here, that equal to minus 1.75 here. A3 equal to A2 plus D here, that equal to A3 is minus 1.75 plus D is minus 0.25, that equal to minus 0.20 here. So the four numbers are minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75, minus 0.20 here. Question number 3. For the following arithmetic progressions, write the first term and the common difference. First is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. So here the given data here, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. So now the first term will be A1, that means A1 first term, which is 3 here. And we are going to find out the common difference. The common difference means D1. So D1 is what? A2 minus A1, that equal to A1 is 3, A2 is 1. So 1 minus 3, so that equal to minus 2 here. Now coming to the second D2. D2 when you are going to see, that will be A3 minus A2 here. That will be minus 1 minus of minus 1. So here minus 1 which will be minus 2. So if you are going to see D3 here, that will be A4 minus A3 here. So that will be A4 is minus 3 and minus A3 is minus 1 here, which is 1. So minus 3 plus 1 which will be minus 2. So here when you are going to say the D is minus 2 here, minus 2 here, minus 2. So it is a common difference we are going to see, and D will be minus 2 here. So A is 3 and D is minus 2. Second one, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. So here it is A1, it is A2, it is A3 and it is A4 here. So now we know A1, which is first term, that is minus 5 here, and we are going to see the common difference now. So here D1 equal to A2 minus A1, that equal to minus 1 minus of minus 5, that equal to 1 plus 5 which will be 4 here. And D2 when you are going to see, which is A3 minus A2 here, that equal to A3 is 3 minus A2 which is minus 1, that equal to 3 plus 1, 4 here. And D3 when you are going to see, which is A4 minus A3, that equal to A4 is 7 here and minus A3 is 3, that equal to 7 minus 3 which is 4 here, and we get a common difference which is 4 here. So D is equal to 4 here. So A is minus 5, D is 4. Next third one, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. So here A1, which is first term, that is 1 by 3 here, that is 1 by 3 here. Now D we are going to find out which is common difference. So D, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. Now D1 when you are going to see, which is A2 minus A1, that equal to 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that equal to here 4 minus 1, 5 minus 1 by 3, which is 4 by 3 here. Now D2 when you are going to see, which is A3 minus A2, that equal to 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3, that equal to LCM 3, 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4 by 3 here. D3 equal to, which is A4 minus A3, that equal to 13 by 3 minus 9 by 3, that equal to LCM 3 here, 13 minus 9, that equal to 4 by 3 here. So here we get a common difference, which is 4 by 3 here. So D is 4 by 3 here, and the first term is 1 by 3 here. Fourth one, 0.6, 1 by 7, 2.8, 3.9. So here it is A1, A2, A3, this is A4. The first term is A1, which is 0.6 here, and D we are going to find out. So here D1 is equal to A2 minus A1, that equal to 1.7 minus 0.6, that equal to 1.1 here. Now D2. So D2 is equal to A3 minus A2, that equal to 2.8 minus 1.7, that equal to 1.1 here. Now D3 when you are going to see, A4 minus A3, that equal to 3.9 minus 2.8, that equal to 1.1 here. So we get a common difference here, which is 1.1 here. So the first term is 0.6 and that difference is 1.1 here. Question number 4. Which of the following are arithmetic progressions? If they form an arithmetic progression, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms here. First one, 2, 4, 8, 16. So here suppose it is A1, A2, A3, A4 here. And we are going to see the difference here. So here A1 is 2 here, and we are going to see the D here. So D1 when you are going to see, which is A2 minus A1, that equal to 4 minus 2, that equal to 2 here. D2 when you are going to see, which is A3 minus A2, that equal to 8 minus 4, that equal to 4 here. D3 when you are going to see, which is A4 minus A3, that equal to 16 minus 8, that equal to 8 here. So here when you are going to see the difference we get 2, 4, 8 here. So there is no common difference here. So we can say D is not equal. It is not equal here. So we can say it is not an arithmetic progression. So answer will be no, it is not an arithmetic progression. Second one, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. So here let it be A1, A2, A3, A4. The first term is A1, which is 2 here, and we are going to find out the D value here. So now D1. So D1 is equal to A2 minus A1, that equal to 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2. So that will be 5 minus 4 by 2, which will be 1 by 2 here. Next D2 when you are going to see, which is A3 minus A2, that equal to 3 minus 5 by 2, that equal to here 6 minus 5, which will be 1 by 2 here. Next D3 when you are going to see A4 minus A3, that equal to A4 is 7 by 2 minus A3 is 3, that equal to 7 minus 6 by 2, that means 1 by 2. So here D is common, which will be 1 by 2 here. So we can say that it is an arithmetic progression. It is an arithmetic progression here. Now in the question they asked write 3 more terms. Write 3 more terms means next to A5 when you are going to write A5, that will be equal to A4 plus D here, A4 plus D. So that will be equal to A4 is 7 by 2 and we got D which is 1 by 2, that equal to 7 plus 1 8, 8 by 2, that equal to 4 here. This is a 4. Next A6 when you are going to see, which will be A5 plus D here. So that equal to now 4 plus 1 by 2 here. So that equal to here 8 plus 1, 9, which is 9 by 2. Next when you are going to see A7, A7 equal to A6 plus D here. So that equal to A6 is 9 by 2 here plus 1 by 2 here. So that equal to 10 by 5, 10 by 5, 10 by 2 here, that equal to 5 here. So now the next 3 numbers are 4, 9 by 2 and 5 here. That means 4, 9 by 2 and 5 here. These are the next 3 terms here. Third one, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. So here A1 is equal to minus 1 by 2, 1.2 here. So let it be A1 here, A2 here, A3 here and A4 here. So now let's find the common difference, which is D here. So D1 when you are going to see, which is A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, which is equal to minus 3.2 minus 1.2 here. So minus plus here, then minus 3.2 plus 1.2 here, that equal to minus 2.0 here. Next D2 equal to A3 minus A2, that equal to minus 5.2 minus 3.2 here, that equal to minus 5.2 plus 3.2 here, that equal to minus 2.0 here. D3 equal to minus A4 minus A3, that equal to minus 7.2 minus here A3, which is 5.2 here, that equal to minus 7.2 plus 5.2, that equal to minus 2.0. So in all cases we are going to see the difference minus 2.0. So the D will be minus 2 here. Now we are going to find out the next three numbers here. So first number when you are going to see, that means A5 when you are going to see. So A5 is equal to A4 plus D here. So A4 is how much? Minus 7 by 2 plus minus 2.0 here. So that equal to minus 9.2 here. Now second one when you are going to see. Second one. So which is A6. So A6 equal to A5 plus D here. That means minus 9.2 plus minus 2. Minus 2. So that equal to minus here 11.2 here. 11.2. Now third one when you are going to see, which will be A7, that equal to A6 plus D. That means minus 11.2 plus minus 2 here. So that will be minus 13.2 here. So we get the next three terms here. One is minus 9.2, the other is minus 11.2, the other is 13.2 here. So these are the three terms. Fourth one, minus 7, minus 6, minus 2, 2. So here we know A1. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4 here. So A1 is equal to minus 10 and we are going to find out to the D here. So D1 which is equal to A2 minus A1. So that equal to minus 6 minus of minus 10. So that equal to 6 minus 6 plus 10. So that equal to 4 here. Next D2 which will be A3 minus A2 here. That will be minus 2 minus 6, that equal to minus 2 plus 6, that equal to 4 here. Next D3 when you are going to see, A4 minus A3, that equal to 2 minus 2. So that equal to 2 plus 2, that equal to 4 here. So D is common, which is 4 here. So we got D here. Now we are going to find next three terms, which is A5, which is A4 plus D, that equal to A4 is 2 plus D 4, that equal to 6 here. Next A6, that equal to A5 plus D, that equal to A5 which is 6 plus 4, that equal to 10 here. Next A7 which is A6 plus D, that equal to 10 plus 4, that equal to 14 here. So the next three terms are 6, 10, 14 here. Fifth one, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. So let it be A1, A2, A3, A4. So A1 is equal to 3 and we are going to find out D here. So now D1 when you are going to see, which is A2 minus A1. So that equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3 here. So here 3 cancel, we get root 2 here. Next D2 when you are going to see, which is a3 minus a2 that equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So 3 cancel, 2 root 2 minus root 2, which will be root 2 here. D3 when you are going to say, which is a4 minus a3 that equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2 that equal to 3 cancel, 3 root 2 2 root 2, which will be root 2. So root 2 will be the common difference. So D is root 2. Now we are going to find out next 3 terms, which is a5 that is equal to a4 plus D here. So a4 is how much, which is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 here plus root 2. So that equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 root 2, which is 4 root 2 here. a6 when you are going to say, which is a5 plus D that equal to 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2. So that equal to 3 plus 5 root 2 here. Now a7. So a7 is equal to a6 plus D. So that equal to 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. That equal to 3 plus 6 root 2 here. So the 3 terms are, one is 3 plus 4 root 2, the other one is 3 plus 5 root 2, the other one is 3 plus 6 root 2 here. These are the 3 next terms. Sixth one, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and 0.2222. So here a1 is equal to 0.2. So let it be here a1, a2, a3 and a4 here. So now d1 when you are going to see, which is a2 minus a1, so that equal to 0.22 minus 0.2. So that will be here 2, here 0, here 0. Next d2. D2 when you are going to see, that will be a3 minus a2. So that will be 0.222 and 0.22. That equal to here minus, here 2, here 0, 0.0 here. Next d3 equal to a4 minus a3. So that equal to a4 is 0.2222 and here 0.222. That equal to 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now when you are going to see d1, so d1 is equal to this much, d2 which is here, d3 here. So we are not going to see any common difference here. So we can say that it is not an arithmetic progression. So no, it is not an arithmetic progression here. Eighth one, 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. So which is a1, let it be a1, a2, a3, a4 here. Now a1 which is equal to 0 and d we are going to find out here. So here d1 is equal to a2 minus a1, that equal to minus 4 minus 0, that equal to minus 4 here. d2 is equal to a3 minus a2, that equal to a3 is minus 8 minus 4. That means minus 8 plus 4 that equal to minus 4 here. D3 when you are going to say A4 minus A3 that equal to minus 12 minus 8 that equal to minus 12 plus 8 that equal to minus 4 here. So here D is common, which is minus 4 here. So the common difference is means S, it is an arithmetic progression. S, it is an arithmetic progression. Next we are going to find out the other three terms, which is A5 when you are going to see, which is A4 plus D that equal to A4 is how much? Minus 12 plus minus 4 that equal to 12 4 which is minus 16 here. Next A6 that will be A5 plus D that equal to A5 is minus 16 plus minus 4 that equal to minus 20 here. Next A7 when you are going to see A6 plus D that equal to A6 is minus 20 plus minus 4, so that equal to minus 24 here. So that next three terms are minus 16, minus 20 and minus 24 here. Eighth one, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So here A1, A2, A3, A4. So A1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 and we are going to find out D here. So here D1 is equal to A2 minus A1. So that equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 that equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 that equal to 0 here. So D2 also same, minus 1 by 2, A2 minus A3 minus A2, so that will be same, minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2, so that will be 0. So A4 minus A3 we get D3 which is also 0 here. So difference is common, that is 0, and we can say it is an arithmetic progression here. Now we are going to find out A5 here, which is A5 is equal to A4 plus D that equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 0 that equal to minus 1 by 2. Next A6 that equal to A5 plus D that equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 0 that equal to minus 1 by 2. Next A7 is equal to A6 plus D that equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 0 that equal to minus 1 by 2 here. So now we got the next three terms, which is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 here. Ninth one, 1, 3, 9, 27. So here A1, A2, A3, A4. So first term which is 1 here, and we are going to find out D here. So D1 when you are going to see, which is A2 minus A1 that equal to 3 minus 1 that equal to 2 here. D2 when you are going to see, which is A3 minus A2 that equal to 9 minus 3 that equal to 3 here. D3 when you are going to see, A4 minus A3 that equal to 27 minus 9 that equal to here 27 minus 9 which will be 18 here. So here 9 minus 3 it is 6 here. So now we got D1. D1 is 2, D2 is 6 and D3 is 18. That means we are not going to see any common difference here. So D is not equal or not common here. So we can say that it is not an arithmetic progression. No, it is not an arithmetic progression here. 10th one, A, 2A, 3A, 4A. So let it be A1, A2, A3, A4 here. Now first term A1, which is equal to A, and D we are going to find out. So now D1 is equal to A2 minus A1, that equal to 2A minus A, that equal to A here. D2 when you are going to see A3 minus A2, that equal to 3A minus 2A, that equal to A here. D3 when you are going to see A4 minus A3, that equal to 4A minus 3A, that equal to A. So here A when you are going to see A is common, that is we get a common difference which is A here. Now we are going to find out A5, next three terms. Now A5 is equal to A4 plus D, that equal to A4 is 4A plus D is A, which is 5A here. A6 when you are going to see A5 plus D, that equal to 5A plus A, that equal to 6A. A7 when you are going to see A6 plus D, that equal to 6A plus A, that equal to 7A here. So now 5A, 6A, 7A. The next three terms are 5A, 6A and 7A here. 11th, A square, A cube, A4. So here which is A1, A2, A3, A4, let it be. And the first term will be A1 is equal to A, and D we are going to find out. Now D1 when you are going to see, which is A2 minus A1, that equal to A square minus A here. Now D2 when you are going to see, which is A3 minus A2, that equal to A cube minus A square. And D3 when you are going to see, which is A4 minus A3, that equal to A4 minus A3 here. So the difference when you are going to see here, the difference which is not common here. So D is not equal here. D is not equal here. And we can say that it is not an arithmetic progression. No, it is not an arithmetic progression here. 12th one, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. So let it be A1, A2, A3, A4 here. So A1, which is the first term, which is root 2, and D we are going to find out. So now D1 is equal to A2 minus A1, so that equal to here root 8 minus root 2 here. So root 8 means 4 into 2, root 4 2. So it is 2 root 2 minus root 2. So 2 root 2 minus root 2, which will be root 2 here. Now D2 when you are going to see, which is A3 minus A2 here, that equal to root 18 minus root 8 here. Root 18 can be written as 3 root 2 minus root 8, which is 2 root 2 here. Means root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, which will be root 2. D3, which is A4 minus A3, so that will be root 32 minus root 18 here. Root 32 can be written as 4 root 2 and root 18 can be written as 3 root 2. 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, which is root 2. And we can say the difference is common here, which is root 2. So D is root 2. And we can say that it is an arithmetic progression. Yes, it is an arithmetic progression. Now we are going to find out the next three numbers, which is A5, A6, A7. A5 is A4 plus D. That means A4, which is 4 root 2 plus root 2, that equal to 5 root 2 here. So 5 root 2 means 5, if it is inside the root, it will be multiplied. That means 5 into 5. So 25 into 2, it will be root 50 here. Now A6 when you are going to see, which is A5 plus D, that equal to A5 is 5 root 2 plus root 2, that equal to 6 root 2, that equal to 36 2, which is root 72 here. Next A7 equal to A6 plus D, that equal to here A6 is 6 root 2 plus root 2 here, that equal to 6 is root 2 which will be 7 root 2. So 7 inside means 49, 49 into 2, which will be 98 here. So root 98 is here. So the next three numbers are root 50, root 72, root 98 here. So these are the three terms here. 13, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. So that will be A1, A2, A3, A4. So first term A1, which is root 3, and we are going to find out the difference here. So D1 is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to root 6 minus root 3 here. Now D2 when you are going to see, which is root 3 A3 minus A2, which is root 9 minus root 6, that is 3 minus root 6. D3 when you are going to see, which is A4 minus A3, that equal to 12, root 12 minus root 9, that equal to here 2 root 3 minus 3 here. So when you are going to see the difference, so difference when you are going to see, it is not common here. So not equal here, not equal here. So the D is not equal, we can say that it is not an arithmetic progression. No, it is not an arithmetic progression. 14th, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. A1, A2, A3, A4. So A1 is equal to 1 square, which is 1, and D we are going to find out. So now D1, which is equal to A2 minus A1, that equal to A2 is what? 9 minus 1, that equal to 8. D2, which is equal to A3 minus A2. Now A3 how much? 5 square, which is 25 minus 9, that equal to 14. D3 we are going to see A4 minus A3, that equal to A4 how much? 7 square, which is 49, minus A3, which is 25, that equal to 24 here. Now when you are going to see D1, D2, D3, which is not common here. So D is not equal. D is not equal here. So we can say that it is not an arithmetic progression. No, it is not an arithmetic progression here. 15th, 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. So now when you are going to simplify it, it is 1, it is 25, it is 49, it is 73 here. Now let it be A1, A2, A3, A4. Now A1 is equal to 1 here, and D we are going to find out. So D1 is equal to A2 minus A1, that equal to 25 minus 1, that equal to 24. D2 is equal to A3 minus A2, that equal to 49 minus 25, that equal to 24. D3, that equal to A4 minus A3, that equal to 73 minus 49, that equal to here 24. Now D1, D2, D3, which is common, that is equal to 24 here. Now the D is common, means we get a common difference. We say that it is an arithmetic progression. Yes, it is an arithmetic progression. Now we are going to find out the next three terms, which is A5, that means A4 plus D. A4 plus D is 73 plus 24, that equal to 97 here. Now A6 we are going to see, which is A5 plus D, that equal to 97 plus 24, that equal to 121. A7 when you are going to see, A6 plus D, that equal to 121 plus 24, which equal to 145 here. So we get the three terms here. The three terms are 97, 121 and 145 here.